Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this little basket. Crochet basket patterns can be used to create a unique storage solution for your home. You can personalize your space and make beautiful catch-all areas for your stuff. This is a super easy crochet project, so it's perfect for any beginners that are new to crocheting. For this project I use one skein of mantra color from Mondial, which is available in 8 different beautiful colors. You can find more information in the description box. And a 7mm hook, I will use this ergonomics from Prim. First we are going to create a magic ring. Then chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then we do 6 single crochets into the ring. So now pull the tail, then join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And now we are going to increase. So first chain 1, then we do 2 single crochets in each stitch all the way around. I suggest to put the marker into the first stitch here. Then we continue to do 2 single crochets into each stitch all the way around. Now we have 12 single crochets all the way around. So now remove the marker, then join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And now we are going to increase again. So first chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then we do 1 single crochet into this first stitch. Place a marker into this first single crochet, then we do an increase into the next stitch. So we do 2 single crochets into the same stitch. And continue to repeat this sequence. So we do 1 single crochet into the next stitch and increase into the next. And continue to do this until the end of this round. Now we have 18 single crochets all the way around. Of course, remove the marker, then join with a slip stitch as we did before. Now we are going to increase again. So first chain 1, then we do 2 single crochets, then we do an increase. So chain 1, 1 single crochet into this first stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Remember to place the marker into the first single crochet. Then we do an increase into the third stitch. So we do 2 single crochets into the same stitch. And now we're going to repeat this sequence. So we do 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, then we do an increase into the third one, and continue to repeat this until the end of this round. And now we have 24 single crochets all the way around. Remove the marker, then join with the slip stitch as we did before. And now we are going to do the last round of increase. So remember, first chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then we do 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Place the marker into the first, then we do an increase into the next stitch. So we do 2 single crochets into the same stitch. And now repeat this sequence. 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, then we do an increase. And repeat this until the end of this round. And now remove the marker, then join with the slip stitch, and now we have 30 single crochets all the way around. So now I stop here because now my round base is about 10 diameter, but if you want a bigger base, keep increasing. So now we are going to do a simple single crochet round, but pay attention, we work in back loop only in this loop here. We do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So first chain 1, do not count as a stitch. Then in back loop only we do 1 single crochet. And we continue to do this until the end of this round. So now pay attention because we do not close this round. I have 30 single crochet all the way around, 30 stitches, and now we are going to create this particular single crochet. So first we insert the hook into the first stitch here. Then we go back and insert the hook in this loop here. So let's do it together. First remove the marker, then insert the hook into this first single crochet here, grab the yarn and pull it through. Don't close the single crochet as usual, so leave 2 loops on the hook and go back and insert the hook into this loop here. Grab the yarn and pull through. So now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And this is the first single crochet. I suggest to place the marker into this first space, so now pay attention. We have worked this stitch here, so now we insert the hook into this next stitch. We leave 2 loops on our hook, then go back into this stitch, the stitch we just worked here. Now we have 3 loops on the hook again, so yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. As you can see, it's not difficult, but you have to understand where to insert the hook. So now we insert the hook here, then we go back into this just worked. So we insert the hook here, grab the yarn and pull through. We have 2 loops on our hook. Then we go back here in the stitch we just worked. So now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And we continue to do this until the end of this round. Now remove the marker, then join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And now pay attention, make sure you always have the same number of single crochet all around, so I still have 30 single crochets. So now chain 1, skip this first stitch here, then we jump into the next. Then we go back into the first. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Remember to place the marker into this first stitch. And now it's very easy because these little columns are now evident. So insert the hook into this stitch here. Then go back into the stitch just worked. Grab the yarn, pull through, we have 2 loops, go back into or around this column here, grab the yarn, pull it through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So all we have to do now is to continue to do this until the end of this round. Of course, remove the marker, then join with the slip stitch into the first. And I still have 30 single crochets. As you can see, the columns are in line. And now I'm going to repeat this last round. So chain 1. Then we skip this first and we insert the hook into the second, and we go back into the first, and continue to do this until the end of this round. Join with the slip stitch, and I want to show you the beautiful partner. So now we are going to create a nice finish. I will use the crab stitch, but you can also use a round of simple single crochet or a slip stitch. Crab stitch is also known as reverse single crochet, because each stitch is the same as single crochet stitch, but you work in the opposite direction. So first chain 1, then we insert the hook here, then we do a simple single crochet. Insert the hook here, grab the yarn, and do a single crochet. And continue to do this until the end of this round. At the end of the round, I prefer to turn the work, then join with a slip stitch into this first stitch. And now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails inside the work using a tapestry needle. And now let me show you the finished mantra basket. These little crochet baskets are ideal for storing small things. Use them to store your sewing accessories, craft utility items, or little chocolate eggs. Get creative and make them in different colors for your different things. Of course, if you want it bigger, you will have to keep increasing the round base. You can also crochet baskets for holidays and to give as a gift, for example. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your mantra little basket. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!